Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.2, which is the very good category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Room category 3. Room category 4. Room category 5. Room category 6. Room category 7. Room category 8. Room category 9. Room category 10. Room category 11. Next we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen 11 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is excellent and guests fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 1 p.m. and the checkout time is 10 a.m. Several deals and offers are available for this hotel. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, please read description box. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.